days, what it feels like. Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the...
Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I am doing a wig review on UNICE wigs. So I'm going to show you the unit that I received and we're going to get into the video. So this is the unit that I received. This is the bag that it comes in. It's all pink because y'all know I'm a pink girl. Okay, I love me some pink, so girly. So it comes in this little handbag, which is really cute. You can carry it like this, put your little things in here, and you could just not wear this just for a wig. You can put your little makeup and your little goodies in here. Look how cute, right? Okay, so let's get into the unit. I know y'all want to see the unit. I know y'all want to see me put it on. So I'm going to show you guys what it looked like and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the unit that I received, honey. Look at this unit. Look at this unit. I'm so excited. I love me some wigs. All right, so let's get into this wig. So this is the Bye Bye Knots lace wig. And guess what? It's already pre-plucked. Okay, so let me show y'all. Look at that. All right. So this is the front of it, y'all. Look at that. So I'm going to take this off and we're going to get right into the video. So I have the glueless wave. Look at the waves. They are waving, honey. It is, and it feels so good, y'all. Y'all know I love colors. And look at the front. It is already pre-plucked. Look at that. Look how natural, y'all. All right, so this is already pre-plucked. It's glueless. You don't even gotta do all that work to it, honey. You just put this bad boy and go. But I am gonna add in some. But let me get ready to pop this thing on. What else we get in here? Do we got some goodies? Cause y'all know a girl love goodies. Okay, so let me see what this is. What they gave me? They gave me a little stocking. Okay. This is a cap, I believe. This is like a little cap they gave me. Okay. And this is the little band to melt down your lace in the front. Okay. And then you have, this is here. Oh, this is the little belt. So if you want to attach this on your wig, you can. So I believe this goes inside. Close up. Okay. All right, so let's put this work in. Let's put the work in. So let me try this on and see what it do. But first I have to hook the hooks on up in there. You could or you don't have to. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna see what's all the talk about. Hearing so many good things about UNICE wigs, and of course I'm gonna try. Oh, it feels so nice. All right, so let me get into it.
All right, so first I applied my lace tape. I'm putting it before my hairline. I'm applying this around my edges, not on my edges, but like around my edges. I'm using this lace tape so that my unit can stay secure on my head so the wind won't blow it off. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, and then I'm going to just peel it off, and then I'm going to just push my unit above it so I can know how I want my unit to be on my hair. So this is going to secure my wig, y'all. You can get this off of Amazon, but these lace tape came with the unit. So after that, I'm going to just take my scissors and I'm going to just trim my lace. All right, so it could just come out nice and shaped, so it could look kind of realistic. So I'm just making sure everything is nice and shapely on my lace front. Okay, And now I'm using my lace melt. Now the lace melt makes your unit look very natural. You want it to look like skin, right? So I just had to use my fan to dry it. So the lace melt is gonna make it look like skin. It's gonna make it look more realistic, okay? You can just apply that under your lace front. So this is the finished touch. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do I look like Beyonce? I'm just joking. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Love you.
How am I still here?